We're in the middle of a rainforest in Mindoro Island, and we're in the lookout for an endangered tamarao. I've heard there's one here around somewhere. Come on, show yourself. Oh, I see one, come on. I think I see another tamarao nearby. It's the next generation Toyota Tamarao.
The Toyota Calapan was established last March 2018. So right now we are at our 7 years. And then way back 2018, our annual release is at 400 level lang po. Pero as we reach the 2024, we already, or the VSM already reached thousands of vehicle sales. Our goal is to bring the mobility goal of Toyota here in the island of Mindoro. Isa to sa player namin para magbigay ng mobility dito sa mga Mindoreños, di ba?
Yes, correct. For 27 years, nagamit niya na yung Toyota Tamarao all over the Philippines. Inikot niya daw po talaga. And even up to now, nagagamit niya pa yun ng panghakot ng mga fruits. Sinasakay niya ng Roro, kung saan-saan nakakarating.
May Tamarao kasi na something kasi nung ni-launch pa lang ni Toyota na Filipino product. Parang napansin ko, they're very aggressive about Filipino. When I see Masandos na parang medyo the way he thinks is totally iba, nakakatuwa yung perspective niya. Iba lang ang colorway. Iba-iba lang ang colorway. Lahat pare-pareho. So, bahala ka, Gen Z ka, millennium ka, old school ka, lahat. Ang mga old school na tatay would like this all-black macho. Pero everything is one in the same body kit. This too is my first generation na bumper. Kaya buo pa, malaki pa, bulky. Ito at saka to, parang web na lang na kumapit sa bumper. Parang spider na kumapit.
It's a very versatile platform. One, because of the price plus the toys. We have the drop side top of the line, and at 1.1 something million. Yes, it's a utility vehicle, but what we've done in Overland Kings, we still respected the utility side and added the camper side. So if you look at the product that we put on it, this is actually a canopy camper. So as you can see, this is just bolted down with these chains. So this one you could just jack it up and leave it when you're not camping. So it's not a committed setup. So pag pangkarga mo during the week, tanggalin mo muna to. Lalaro ka na during the weekend, karga mo na siya. 70% of the shops that I know are customizers have this truck as a personal unit.
The next generation Tamarao. It is the third locally produced model here in our Santa Rosa plant, built by Filipinos for Filipinos.
From tricycle to Tamarao. Malaking ano yan, moving up yun. Kumbaga, from kindergarten, i-skip nyo na elementary, diretso na kayong high school, college. Ito po, ayan, ito po ang napakagarang Tamarao ni Sir Henry. Puting-puti, ito lang gusto nyo kulay, puti.
Yes po.
So, kailan nyo po siya na?
Almost 2 months pa lang po, 2 months, January 31. Parang January 31 namin ito na.
May plastic pa yun po.
Opo.
Saan nyo na po siya nadala?
So ito, dito pa lang din sa farm namin. Pauli-uli pa lang siya.
Pababalik.
Kasi hindi pa kami makalis at marami pang trabaho sa farm. Hindi pa kami makabiyahe ng malayo.
Tapos, bakit nyo po napiling Toyota Tamarao? Kasi ang daming ino-offer ngayon. May L300, pero ito ang napili nyo. Bakit po Toyota Tamarao?
Nakita ko kasi yung future niya, maganda, tapos maluwag yung kanyang yung loob niya.
yung loading niya.
Yung loading niya. So, para sa akin, pasok siya para sa negosyo namin.
At yan na po ang ating panayam kay Sir Henry at sa kanyang lumalagong Calamansi Farm. Diba? Maasim ang kanyang business, pero ang tamis ng kita dahil sa Toyota Tamaraw.
Marami kang pwedeng ilagay. Swak na swak po. Kahit anong negosyo pwede po sa kanya.
Yung main reason is for the business, pero nagagamit din nila personal use.
Saka ito po talaga yung tinitingnan naming new player ngayong taon na tutulong sa amin na ma-reach yung mobility goal hanggang sa kabilang island, which is sa Occidental.
Abante posible! Sorry, bilang ka nga kuya.